Hello everyone. Let's see and learn what are the common mistakes done by while handling an Excel. Suppose there is a spreadsheet A which has its own reference sheet and it derives some data from there and prepared a summary sheet. We have another spreadsheet B where we require to move this summary sheet to this sheet, this spreadsheet B, and the values should be derived from the local that is data available in the reference sheet of this particular sheet B. But what actually we do if we move and copy and the reference of all the data populated in summary is fixed with the spreadsheet A. So let's watch how we can do it so that target can. You can see that I have two separate spreadsheet. One is named as a master document 03122022 and there is one another target. So what is the work or what we want to do is that we have to move this summary sheet to this particular sheet so that the data derived against these three fields can be derived from the reference data available in this reference data. In this, there are three values which has a respective formula and it is deriving value from the reference data of this particular X. Now I will move this to that second spreadsheet. Right click on the it required to move and copy. You can see that there is an option of selecting target Excel, that is our second spreadsheet. I want to populate before this reference data and a copy of it. So the same Excel sheet is moved from spreadsheet to here. But the values are there, but formulas you can see till now also is referring to the name of the spreadsheet that was referred earlier. How we can remove it and so that the values can be taken from. Let's see. There is a data tab. There is an edit link. Go here, select this and just change the source and select the target. Now what happened? The reference sheet is removed, spreadsheet is removed and it is taking the data of the reference data. But there is another way also that I don't want to put any formula. I just want to the populate to the value that is available in previous spreadsheet here. So let me delete it. Now let me go back to my master sheet. Now similarly, move and copy, create a copy, go to here, select reference. Before this came with the formula. Then same at data, we'll go to the edit link and just break click. What will happen? It will just populate the values. Hence, the target is achieved. Thanks for watching. If you want more tips and tricks, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.